Riffs, and today we're going to be finishing off Jesse Cook's Mario Takes a Walk. So the guitar solo at the end is easy to learn, but it's hard to play. You got your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the E string, and then you got your pinky right here on the B, walk it down, and then back to there. And you're going to do that 4 times. And while you're doing it, of course, you're alternate picking. Up and down. It'd be a lot easier to play fast if it was just on one string. But unfortunately, it's not. So we're going to take that pattern and scoot it up to here. And now, these are the new notes. So obviously, it's still in just the E minor scale. And then we got, do that 4 times again. And then you got right here. Another 4 times. But instead of ending right here, you're going to end right here. So you can kind of bar it. And then you got 15th fret with your ring finger. Walk it down to 12. And then you're going to do these 3 notes 7 times. And then on the 8th time, you go up all the way to here. And then you kind of hang out on there for a second. And kind of do this little thing to walk back down. You'll just play along with the song and slow it down for sure. It is very, very fast. So that section goes. And then you do those same 3 notes again, but 16 times. And now you got this descending thing where you kind of are going up but going down. So it goes. So you got those 3 notes, but you're going to hit this 3rd note twice. And then you're going to do 2 ghost notes after that where you hit just the muted string. So you're going to be going ta 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 ta. And then, so all the notes are going to be. Of course, just going down the scale. So now we get to the crazy part. I used to go like this because it fit with the rhythm. So it would be like, but he goes even faster. He fills in 4 notes instead of 3 when it gets to right here. And it's just berserkly fast. So he would be like this. Which is just crazy. It's like very fast, and I'm doing this in slow motion right now. So if you want to do it my way, you basically just go down like this. And then, so again, that's, and then the rest of it, you're just going down the scale. So my whole run would sound like this. The real way to play it, like I said, you're going to be filling in with 4 notes. So it's going to go like this. And then the same thing on the B string, and you do it twice. And then you go to right here, do it twice. Same shape on the D string, twice of course. And then you get to the last one, but he's doing it so fast, and there's only 3 notes. It's supposed to be 4 notes right there, so I think he just goes, kind of does a ghost note in between there, or he goes like this. But it's so fast, it's hard to even hear what he's doing. I slowed it down tremendously to try to learn it. It's just crazy fast. So once you end on this note, you got right here to the open A, back to that G, open E, slide up to 7, and then slide up to 12. Nice, and that's the whole solo. And then of course it ends with the main riff. It is a difficult solo to play. I can't play along to it at the full speed. It's way fast. But it's a good practice. It's very good for practicing the picking. Very much a challenge. Anyways, good luck, sir. Good luck. Thank you.